Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Yamaha YZ450F open class motocross racer. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's got some nice upgrades. KYB front racing suspension. It's got a Mica Metals handlebar, IMS tank, guts seat cover, and it's got a beautiful exhaust system, brand new tires, new chain and sprockets. This thing has electric start, ready to go, only $74.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.